Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Sin AS equals to e to the power of AS minus e to the power of negative AS over number 2. Next, about cosh AS, that should be about e to the power of AS plus e to the power of negative AS over number 2. Now, we need to transform this one into this one and this one into this one. So we have like this. Now, number 2 and number 2, we have 1 over 4. This one multiplied by this one multiplied by this one, and this one multiplied by this one and this one. So we have like this. Next, we have the second formula in here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.